Hi, my name is Jerem Gomez II. I have solid experience in the food and beverage industry, particularly as a barista trainer, and a global coffee master, where I developed my strong skills in beverage preparation, customer service, and maintaining high quality standards in fast-paced environments. I worked with Starbucks in Saudi Arabia and Rusan Coffee Corporation, handling drink preparation, customer orders, and ensuring consistency and cleanliness. These experiences trained me to be efficient, detail-oriented, and adaptable in different roles. My key strengths include strong problem-solving skills, especially during peak hours, the ability to work well in a team, and leadership in maintaining smooth operations and positive work environment. I take pride in delivering quality service and creating welcoming experience for customers. I am also a CSE professional level passer and have completed food safety training, which supports my commitment to professionalism and high standards. I am confident that my skills, experience, and work ethic will allow me to contribute positively to your team. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to being part of your organization.